Hi everyone. Today our topic is how to record the script through recording controller in Apache Jmeter. Okay. Today only I will explain this one only recording controller. The recording controller used to how to record the script in Apache Jmeter tool. Okay. This is only our main topic. Okay. First of all, I need to open the there is some requirement. Prerequisites. First of all, I need a Jmeter tool. First one, you need Jmeter tool. After valid root certificate. Otherwise, it's not able to record the script. That is second one. And third one, you need any one application, any web application, and browser, any browser. Okay, these are the general prerequisites in Jmeter tool. Okay, now I need to start the recording. How I need to record the script through recording controller, I will show you. Open the Jmeter. It's a latest one 5.4. Under test plan, you need to add the any one thread group. Under thread group, need to add the can go to the logical controller. Under logical controller, there is a recording controller. You need to add. But under test plan, you need to add some general elements. You can go to the config element, go to the HTTP cookie manager, HTTP cache manager. This two is very important. You need to add. Okay. In cookie manager, you can clear cookies each iteration. This all the things after I will explain. It's not required now. Just for recording only, that reason you can clear the cookies each iteration, clear the cache each iteration. After go to the recording controller. Okay, once you need to add it now, you can add the under directly in test plan, you can go to the non-test element, select the HTTP test script recorder. This test script recorder, you can give any one port. I will give in the 8080. You don't need to give anything also, not a problem. But you can select the target controller, test plan, thread group, recording controller. Okay. You can select this one. All the request, everything will be stored to the under recording controller, and child will be kept. Okay, after go to the request filtering, it's a very important. You can add the add suggested exclude. These are the formats of data. It's never recorded, it's avoided, and only what are the your request and response only will be recorded. Okay, it's done. Okay, now you need to ready to start the recording. Okay. In before recording, you can go to the your Jmeter bin folder. Okay, this is my roots certificate, temporary roots CA certificate. Today only I regenerated the old one I deleted, but the new one today only I generated. Today date is 14 to means 14 February 2022, same 14 to 2022, just 11:19 and now 11:44 on the time. It's a security certificate. You need to valid one you need to take. Once you need to take the valid one, After, you can take any one browser. Browser means I will take the Internet Explorer. You can imported the root CS certificate. Now go to settings, go to internet options, go to content, click on the certificate. Under certificate, you need to select the trusted root CS certificate. I am already imported. My expiration date is 21 February 2022. It's around, okay, 7 to 8 days time is there. There is not a problem. But how you need to import it now? You can come to the root CA, trusted root CA certificate, the authorities, trusted root certification authority. Okay, click on import, click on next. You can browse now. You will come to the Apache temporary root CA certificate. Click on open and click on next and close. That's all. The imported file was successfully installed. Okay, this is the way you need to import the Jmeter root CS certificate. But how to set up the proxy means you can go to the connections, click on LAN connection, remove the automatically detect settings, select the use proxy server for your LAN. This is my local computer, that reason I will provide the local host and port is 8080. In real applications, you will provide the port, developers only will provide it, port number, and your requirement documents also available. 80, this port will provided, and local host means that application address only will provided, means it's a directly IP address, system IP address or host name. That way, otherwise you can provide any link also will provided based on the application requirement. Okay, this setup is done. I will take the JPEG store application. Just now you need to click on enter now. You can see the process server is not responding, means your configuration is right. Now we need to ready to proceed. Okay, now you need to ready to proceed. Go to Jmeter tool. Everything is done, but before you need to save this one. Yeah, this is name is recording controller 1. Yes, I save. Now I need to ready to proceed. You need to start the, this is the temporary root CS certificate will be key. Okay, click on OK. Yes, is ready to start the recording. Now you need to click on enter. Yes, it's open. After, click on sign in. The username password is J2E. Password also same only, J2E. Just click on login. The web application is open. After, click on fish. Select any one. Click on add to cart. Proceed to checkout. After confirm. After final confirmation, it's done. You can see it's completed. Thank you, order has been submitted. It's done. Now you can click on sign. Okay, this is performance testing, means it's non-functional testing. Means it's working everything in backend only in performance side. That reason the client means user what will be clicked. A request will send it to server and server will give the response. The request and response only will capture to the in Jmeter tool. Okay, it's not a functional testing. You need to remember this word. And stop. Yes, it's done. You can see now it's a recording controller. There is a plus symbol now. You can click on. You can see only exactly what are the things you require only will be came. But how we need to check now? First you can click on one. It's a pet store octoparf.com. Next one. You can see there is a something Google API, something will be came. You can remove this one. After pet store, after also same all request, it's a pet store only. Okay, no problem. That's all guys. This way you need to record the script in general, and you need to run one time. Now you can add any one view results tree I added. Just you can click on run. Okay, this is the way you need to record the script through directly in recording controller. Okay, recording controller, before there is a transaction controller available. I will show you my next video in how to use. You need to record this script through transaction controller. Okay, yeah, that's all guys, this video. I will connect to the my next video. Thank you very much everyone. And one more thing, you have any time there is any new application will came to the your way in performance testing, you did not identify to the any dynamic values anytime. 2-3 times you need to record the same flow, and you need to check to the script with a detailed way. Now you can slowly you can observe what are the values will became. Okay, how the dynamic values will be changing, this all the things you can keep on observe that one. You can easily you can identify the dynamic values. Example, this application underscore source page underscore fp, this is the dynamic values. Okay, you can 2-3 time you can check. Now you can easily you can find out. Okay, once the values will become the same values only keep on repeating, but you have patience and you need to check. This is very small flow, but that is your requirement. Sometime requirement application flow will become sometime sam so files will become sometime rest files will become. Based on the situation, I'm not able to show you to the all the things the requirement side, but you need to learn all the protocols, what are the scripting languages will supported. Example, majorly Jmeter will supported Groovy scripting, Bean Shell, JavaScript, Java. This 4 is very major in Jmeter side. You need to learn to the all the scriptings, programmings, all things. Now you can easily you able to do the in performance testing independently without any help. Okay, you can take the Google help and you need to do it yourself. Okay, but beyond practice, practice is very important. You can see this is a one dynamic value. Yeah, you can see less than a href is equal to action catalog action, jsession id is equal something value is there, no? This is one dynamic value. Okay, you underscore p, you can see there's an input type is equal hidden, name is equal underscore fp, value is equal something will become, no? This all the things is dynamic values. Under after underscore input type is equal hidden, name is equal underscore source page is value is equal something is there, something value is there. Okay, digits and letters are digits and characters also. Okay, you can keep on observe to the what is the request will be sent, what is the response will be came, no? You can easily identify the values and you will do it. Okay, any project first script only will take too much time. Okay, remaining all the things same only, you can do it fastly, there is no problem. Okay, but keep on learning and keep on increase your knowledge. Yeah, that's all guys, thank you.